Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the new chapter, 10th chapter, haloalkanes and haloarenes. This is organic, second PU organic, first chapter. In second PU organic, haloalkane, haloarene, one chapter. Alcohol, phenols, ethers, one chapter. Next, aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acid. Next, nitrogen compounds. Next, continuation of these this is about pure organic compounds. Next, related to organic compound, biomolecule chapter is there, and chemistry in everyday life chapter. Today, the chapter is haloalkanes and haloarenes. In first PU, we discussed about the IUPAC, isomerism, and hydrocarbons, alkane, alkene, alkyne, benzene, aromatic compounds. Now, second PU we are discussing about the organic compounds. First 10th chapter organic compound haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now we need to understand about the first PU IUPAC and basic concept. If you are thorough about the first PU organic chemistry, it will become easy. Second PU is easy. Now we'll see haloalkanes and haloarenes. Weightage of this chapter 6 marks, 5 marks 1 question, 1 mark 1 question. Now, haloalkanes means, we know alkanes means carbon-carbon single bond compounds, saturated hydrocarbons. Here, haloalkanes means in alkane, one of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen. Alkane formula CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2 we know. If number of carbons are 2, C2. Here n is equal to 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, 6. C2H6, ethane. If number of carbons are 3, n is equal to 3, C3. 3 into 2, here plus 2. The number of hydrogen 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8. C3H8, propane. So, this is alkane formula, CnH2n plus 2, alkane formula. In this alkane formula, these haloalkanes are derivatives of alkanes. We will get the haloalkane from alkane. Here, one of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen. One of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen. For example, ethane, C2, H6. C2 is number of carbons are 2. 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, 6. C2H6. One of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen. Then become C2H5X. Now, halogens are represented with X. Halogens are represented with X. Again, CnH2n plus 2 is alkane. One of the hydrogen means CnH2n plus 1. That hydrogen is replaced by halogen. Now, the formula is CnH2n plus 1 halogen. This is haloalkane. Haloalkane. Now, here in this chapter, haloalkanes, haloarenes. Haloalkanes, haloarenes. So, here one of the hydrogen of alkane is replaced by halogen, haloalkane. One of the hydrogen in arene, benzene or benzenoid compound, aromatic compound, hydrogen is replaced by halogen. Those are called haloarenes. Alkanes, saturated hydrocarbon, one of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen, haloalkanes. Haloarenes means aromatic compound, one of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen, haloarenes. Here, carbon, haloalkanes, alkanes means carbon-carbon single bond, carbon hybridization is sp3 hybridization. One of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen. So, halogen is bonded to carbon, that carbon is sp3 carbon, sp3 carbon. Now, in haloarene, for example, benzenoid compound, it is a benzene. Here, benzene, 6 carbons are there. Carbon hybridization is sp2 hybridization in benzene. While here, alternate single and double bond. Here double bond, here double bond, here double bond. If we see this carbon, here hydrogen will be there. The number of bonds 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. 3 sigma bond, 1 pi bond. 1 pi bond, 3 sigma bonds means sp2 hybridization. Sigma bond will calculate 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds. 3 sigma bonds means yes. P1, P2, sp2 hybridization. This carbon is involving in sp2 hybridization. This hydrogen is replaced by halogen. This hydrogen is replaced by halogen. So this is called haloarene. Haloarene. This is about Introduction about haloalkane and haloarene. Now here in this chapter, halogens means here X means halogens. Fluorine already we discussed in 17th group. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Now we are treating halogen size from fluorine to iodine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Here first chlorine. Chlorine is used in an antibiotic. One of the antibiotic that is chloramphenicol. Chloramphenicol is an antibiotic which is used for typhoid fever. Typhoid fever. To treat the typhoid fever, chloramphenicol is an antibiotic is used. In that component is chlorine. Next one, chloroquine. Chloroquine is used for treatment of malaria fever. Malaria fever. Nowadays, hydroxychloroquine or chloroquine used for corona disease also. Next one, iodine. Here, thyroxine hormone releases the iodine. Here, deficiency of iodine leads to goiter. This disease is called swelling of the thyroid gland. This is a thyroid-related disease. So, deficiency of iodine leads to goiter, swelling of the thyroid glands. Here, thyroxine releases the iodine. Next one, halo compound. Few halo compounds are used in anesthetic drugs, used as anesthetic drugs during the surgery. This is about introduction about the haloalkane and haloarene. Again, haloalkane, haloarene means alkanes. One of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen, so it is called haloalkane. In aromatic compound, hydrogen is replaced by halogen. It is called haloarene. Haloalkane, carbon hybridization is sp3. Haloarene, carbon hybridization is sp2. This is about introduction about this chapter. Next important, we will see the classification. Here classification is three types of classification. One is based on the number of halogens. Next, halogen is bonded to sp3 carbon. One more classification is there. Halogen is bonded to sp2 carbon. That we will discuss afterwards. Now, three types of classification. Haloalkane, haloarenes are classified into three types. First one, based on the number of halogens in that particular compound, how many halogens are there. Second one, halogen is bonded to sp3 carbon. Third one, halogen is bonded to sp2 carbon. These are important classifications under haloalkane and haloarene. First, we will see number of halogen classification. First classification based on number of halogens. Here, first one, this is monohalo derivatives. This haloalkane, haloarene contain only one halogen. The particular haloalkane or haloarene contain one halogen. Monohaloalkanes or monohaloarenes. This is dihalo compound, two halogens. This is trihalo compound, three halogens. Polyhalo compounds, many halogens. First one we say monohalo compound, X, only one X. X may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. This is C2H5. Basic compound is C2H6, ethane. C2H6, one hydrogen is replaced by halogen. So C2H5X. C2H5X. This is monohaloalkane. Haloethane. Here benzene, this is basic compound is benzene. Arene. Formula C6H6, benzene formula. One of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen. Any one of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen. Here 6 carbon, 6 hydrogen, 6 carbon. Each one carbon contains 6 hydrogen, 6 hydrogens. One of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen. So it is haloarene, monohaloarene. Again, classification, three types of classification based on number of halogen. Based on the halogen is bonded to sp3 carbon. Next, based on halogen is bonded to sp2 carbon. First one, number of halogen, only one halogen is there. Monohaloalkane. If it is aromatic compound, monohaloarene. Monohaloalkane, monohaloarene. Dihalo compound, dihaloalkane. 1,2 dihaloalkane. Dihaloalkane. Here it is dihaloarene. 2 halogens are there. Next, trihaloalkane. 3 halogens are there. Trihaloalkane. This is trihaloarene. Aromatic compound, arene, alkane, trihaloalkane. This is about number of halogens classification. Based on number of halogens. Monohalo derivative, dihalo derivative, trihalo derivatives. Next one, halogen is bonded to sp3 carbon. What is sp3 carbon? The carbon, generally carbon valency is 4. 4. Around the carbon 4 bonds are there. If the 4 bonds are sigma bonds, that carbon is sp3 carbon. Around carbon 4 bonds will be there. Those 4 bonds are sigma bonds. That carbon is called sp3 carbon. For example, 3 sigma bond, 1 pi bond. We won't consider the pi bond under hybridization. So 3 sigma bonds. sp2 carbon. Around carbon 2 sigma bonds are there, 2 pi bonds are there. Total number of bonds must be 4. Here 2 sigma bond, 2 pi bond. We will consider sigma bonds for hybridization, not pi bonds. Unhybridized orbital will form pi bond, hybridized orbital will form sigma bond. So we will consider sigma bonds only. Sigma bonds are 2, so hybridization is sp. So around the carbon 2 sigma bonds sp, 3 sigma bonds sp2, 4 sigma bonds sp3. Here 4 sigma bonds. Here 4 sigma bonds around the carbon, sp3 carbon. One of the element is halogen. So halogen is bonded to sp3 carbon. In that classifications are there. First one, here haloalkanes. Haloalkanes. Here haloalkane means RH. We know RH is called alkane. RH is called alkane. R is called alkyl group. R is called alkyl group. First year we discussed alkyl group R. Here RH. Haloalkane. Haloalkane. Now haloalkanes. First classification under sp3. Halogen is bonded to sp3 carbon. Under that, first one, haloalkenes. This carbon is primary carbon. Why it is called primary carbon? We discussed in first PU. One carbon is bonded to another one carbon is called primary carbon. This carbon is bonded to another one carbon. Remaining 3 other elements will be there, maybe hydrogen or other group elements. So here only 2 carbons are there. This carbon is bonded to this carbon and one carbon. This carbon also bonded to only one carbon. So these 2 are called primary carbon. With respect to this carbon is called primary. With respect to this carbon is called primary carbon. This is primary carbon. Here one of the primary carbon. Here halogen is bonded to primary carbon. Halogen is bonded to primary carbon. This is called primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide. This carbon is primary carbon. Halogen is bonded to that carbon. So it is called primary alkyl halide. Next here, this carbon is bonded to another one carbon. So this carbon is primary carbon. This carbon is primary carbon. This is also bonded to another one carbon. So it is also primary carbon. But this carbon is bonded to 2 carbon. So this carbon is called secondary carbon. If the halogen is here, if the halogen is bonded to this carbon, this is called secondary alkyl halide. This is primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide. Why secondary? This carbon is secondary carbon. Why it is called secondary carbon? Carbon is bonded to another 2 carbon, secondary carbon. Halogen is bonded to that carbon. So it is called secondary alkyl halide. Next here. See, sigma bonds only. Remaining 1 bond also sigma bond. Here 4 bonds sigma bonds only. So it is called sp3 carbon. Here also 4 bonds are sigma bonds, sp3 carbon. Halogen is bonded to that carbon. That carbon is bonded to another 2 carbon, secondary carbon. So it is called secondary alkyl halide. Next here, this carbon is bonded to 3 other carbons. Here, halogen is bonded to this carbon. So it is called tertiary alkyl halide. Why it is called tertiary alkyl halide? This carbon is tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon means carbon is bonded to other 3 carbons, another 3 carbons directly. Around this carbon 4 sigma bonds, sp3. 4 sigma bonds, sp3. Halogen is bonded to tertiary carbon, so it is called tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide. Again, primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide means halogen is bonded to primary carbon. Halogen is bonded to secondary carbon. Halogen is bonded to tertiary carbon. Next one, this is about haloalkenes. Next one, allyl halides or allylic halides. Allylic halides means here this is one carbon. Total number of bonds must be 4. Here 3, 1, one hydrogen. This carbon is sp2 carbon. Why it is called sp2 carbon? Around this carbon, how many sigma bonds? 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds. It is sp2. This carbon also sp2. Around this carbon, 3 sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3. sp2. This carbon is all sigma bonds. Around carbon, 4 bonds are there. 4 bonds are sigma bonds. This carbon is sp3 carbon. sp3 carbon. sp3 carbon. Here halogen is bonded to sp3 carbon. That sp3 carbon is bonded to sp2 carbon of alkyl group. Halogen is bonded to sp3 carbon. That carbon is bonded to alkyl group of sp2 carbon. So this carbon is called allyl carbon. What is allyl carbon? The carbon is bonded to sp2 carbon. That carbon is called allyl carbon. If the halogen is bonded to allyl carbon, that halide is called allylic halide or allyl halide. Again, carbon sp3 carbon bonded to sp2 carbon. What is sp3 carbon? All sigma bonds, 4 sigma bonds. sp2 carbon, 3 sigma bonds, 1 pi bond. This is pi bond. This carbon is sp2. One carbon is bonded to sp2 carbon. This carbon is sp3 carbon. This carbon is sp2 carbon. If halogen is bonded to that sp3 carbon, this carbon is allyl carbon. So halide is called allyl halide. Allyl halide. Next, same way here also. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there. Here all are single bonds only, sigma bonds. Sigma bonds. Around this carbon 4 bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds are there. All are sigma bonds. So these 4 carbons are sp3 carbons. 4 carbons are sp3 carbon. These 2 carbons are sp2 carbons. Why? Here 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds. 3 sigma bonds means sp2 carbon. These 2 carbons are sp2 carbon. These 4 carbons are sp3 carbon. sp2, sp3. Now same thing. Halogen is bonded to here. Halogen is bonded to here. This carbon is sp3 carbon. That carbon is bonded to sp2 carbon. So this carbon is called sp2 carbon, allyl carbon. If halogen is bonded here, this is called allyl halide. Again, halogen is bonded to sp3 carbon. That carbon is bonded to sp2 carbon. That carbon is called sp3 carbon is called allyl carbon. If halogen is there, means that halide is called allyl halide. Here also same thing. sp2, sp3, here halogen. Allyl halide. This is about allyl halide. Same thing, benzyl halide. Benzyl halide. We know benzene. This is the structure of benzene. Alternate single and double bond. In benzene, all carbons are sp2 carbon. Already we discussed here. All carbons are sp2 carbons. Halorine. So here all carbons are sp2 carbon. Now one carbon is there here, like this. We can write like this or like this. Here benzene carbons are sp2 carbon. One carbon is bonded to this carbon. This carbon is sp3 carbon. Why? All sigma bonds. Here halogen is bonded to this carbon like this. Halogen is bonded to this carbon. It is benzyl group. So it is benzyl halide. Aromatic group is there, benzene is there. So it is called benzyl halide. Similar to allyl, here also same. Halogen is bonded to sp2, sp3. That sp3 carbon is bonded to sp2 carbon of open chain structure. Here it is benzene. So this carbon is called benzyl carbon. This halogen is called, halide compound is called benzyl halide. Benzyl halide. This is also benzyl carbon. Benzyl halide. If halogen is bonded here, benzyl halide. This is about second classification. Halogen is bonded to sp3 carbon. One primary, secondary, tertiary. Next second one, allyl halide. Next benzyl halide. From here to here, difference is here benzenoid compounds. Benzene, one carbon is bonded to benzene. That carbon is sp3. Halogen is bonded to that carbon. So this carbon is sp3. This carbon is sp2. Similar to here, sp3, sp2. Here it is allyl. Here it is benzyl. Next we will see halogen is bonded to sp2 carbon. Next, third classification, halogen is bonded to sp2 carbon. sp2 carbon means around the carbon total 4 number of bonds. One is pi bond, 3 sigma bonds. 3 sigma bonds, yes, p1, p2, sp2 carbon. Halogen is bonded to sp2 carbon. Here is halogen is bonded to sp3 carbon. Classification 3 types: haloalkanes, primary, secondary, tertiary; allyl halide, benzyl halide, allyl benzyl. Here halogen is bonded to sp3 carbon. Here halogen is bonded to sp3 carbon, that is bonded to sp2 carbon. Here same, halogen is bonded to sp3 carbon, that is bonded to sp2 carbon of benzene, benzyl halide. Here halogen is directly bonded to sp2 carbon. 2 times, vinyl halides or vinylic halides, aryl halides. Vinyl halide, aryl halide. Vinyl halide, see, halogen is bonded to this carbon. This carbon. Halogen is bonded to this carbon. Valence is 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. 3 are sigma bond, 1 is pi bond. Next, this carbon, adjacent carbon also 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds, 1 pi bond. This is vinyl carbon. sp2 carbon is vinyl carbon. Halogen is bonded to this carbon, so it is called vinyl halide. If it is chlorine, vinyl chloride, vinyl bromide, vinyl iodide. Same thing here. Halogen is bonded to sp2 carbon. Pi bond is there, so it is the sp2 carbon. This is also sp2 carbon. These 4 are sp3 carbons. Halogen is bonded to sp2 carbon, vinyl halide. It is not benzene. If halogen is bonded to sp2 carbon of benzene, sp2 carbon of benzene, it is called aryl halide. Vinyl halide, aryl halide. This is about halogen is bonded to sp2 carbon. See here, halogen is bonded to sp2 carbon of benzene, so it is called aryl halide. Here also same, halogen is bonded to sp2 carbon of benzene, so it is called aryl halide. This is about classification. Again, classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes based on number of halogen. Next, based on halogen is bonded to sp3 carbon. Next, halogen is bonded to sp2 carbon. These definitions are important. Next, we will see IUPAC nomenclature of haloalkane and haloarenes. We discussed about the classification. Next, we will see IUPAC of haloalkanes and haloarenes. In first view, we discussed about the rules of IUPAC, name to structure and structure to name. About the root word, primary prefix, secondary prefix, primary suffix, secondary suffix. Now, in second view, we will see the only examples. Rules you need to revise from first view notes. We will see the examples, first IUPAC examples. Here, first example. 1, 2, 3 carbons are there, 1 bromine is there. Here, numbering first. Numbering from here substituent. Functional groups are not there. From substituent. Substituent, this is bromine and this carbon. So it is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon. 1 bromopropane. IUPAC name is 1 bromopropane. Common name N-propyl bromide. We discussed what is N, what is iso, what is neo. Carbon chain, straight chain form N. CH branch is there. Iso, like this, Y shape iso, cross shape neo. We discussed in first period. Now we'll see example. Here 1 bromopropane IUPAC. Common name is N-propyl bromide. Propyl means 3 carbon, 1 hydrogen less. Propane, 1 hydrogen less is called propyl. N-propyl, straight chain, N-propyl bromide, N-propyl bromide. Second example, here numbering. Here we can give numbering from left to right or right to left. Here 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. For example, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Bromine at second position, 2 bromopropane. Propane, prop means 3 carbon, 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 single bond, ene. So 2 bromopropane. Or this position is called, it is like this, carbon, carbon, here 1 carbon, it is bromine. This position is Y shape from here, so it is isopropyl bromide, isopropyl bromide, or IUPAC 2 bromopropane, isopropyl bromide. Second example. Third one, here numbering functional groups are not there. Substituent is here 1, 2, 3. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon. Chlorine first carbon 1 chloro, 2 methyl propane. Alphabetical order chloro, next methyl. 1 chloro, 2 methyl propane. 1 chloro, 2 methyl propane. Next, this is also called, this is butyl. Y shape. Isobutyl chloride. Iso position. Isobutyl, 4 carbon butyl chloride. Or 1 chloro, 2 methyl propane. 1 chloro, 2 methyl propane. Next one here. Numbering from substrate carbon 1, 2, 3. These two are branches. These two carbons are branches. So, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon. Alphabetical order chlorine first. 1 chloro, 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane. 1 chloro, 2 methyl and 2 methyl. So 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane. 1 chloro, 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane. Next one, CHCl3. Common name we know, chloroform. CHCl3, chloroform. Or trichloromethane. What is methane? CH4 is methane. CH4 is methane. 3 hydrogens are replaced by 3 chlorines. Total 4 hydrogens are there. 3 hydrogens are replaced by 3 chlorine. 1 hydrogen is as it is. So CHCl3, chloroform, common name. Or trichloromethane, this is the derivative of methane. So this is called trichloromethane. This is 5th example. Next, 6th one. 6th and 7th important. See, 2 halogens on 1 carbon, 2 halogens on adjacent carbon, but molecular formula is same. See, 2 carbons, 2 carbons. Hydrogens 3 plus 1, 4. Here 2 plus 2, 4. Chlorines 2. Here also 2. What is the difference? 2 halogens on same carbon, 2 halogens on adjacent carbon. If 2 halogens on same carbon, this halide is called geminal dihalide or gem dihalide. Gem dihalide. 2 halogens on same carbon, gem dihalide. 2 halides are adjacent carbon. This is called vicinal. This is geminal. This is vicinal. Geminal dihalide, vicinal dihalide. 2 halogens on adjacent carbon. This one IUPAC. First carbon 2 chlorines are there. 1 comma 2 dichloroethane. 1 comma 1 dichloroethane. This one 1 comma 2 dichloroethane. 1 comma 1 is called gem. 1 comma 2 is called vicinal. Geminal dihalide, vicinal dihalide. Common name, this is called ethylidene chloride. 2 halogens on same carbon. Number of carbons are 2. Ethylidene chloride. Ethylidene chloride. Here 2 halogens on adjacent carbon. Ethylene dichloride. Ethylene dichloride. Remember the name? Ethylidene chloride. Ethylene dichloride. Gem dihalide, vicinal dihalide. 1 comma 1 dichloroethane. 1 comma 2 dichloroethane. Next one, this example. Here IUPAC numbering from either from left to right or left to right. Substrate is there, bromine. Functional groups are not there, but double bond is there. We know compared to the substrate, double bond or multiple bond will get the highest priority. So double bond is there. We should give numbering where in which side double bond will get the lowest possible number. If from right to left means this carbon 1, 2, 3, double bond will get the third position. If it is left 1, 2, so nearer, double bond is nearer from here. So first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, this is fourth carbon, this is fifth carbon. See, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. Now name here first substance 4-bromo. 5 carbons is pent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon name is pent. It is ene, where ene at second carbon. So 4-bromo pent to ene. 4-bromo pent to ene. Again, this is the structure. Numbering from you can give right to left or left to right. Double bond is here from left to right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons. Bromine at fourth carbon, substrate is we got the first substrate. Then 4 bromo pent-2-ene, pent-2-ene. Next here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. You should give numbering from left. Double bond is here and here. So this is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. This carbon is substrate of second carbon. Second carbon substrate this is. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Parent chain contain 4 carbon. 1 bromine substrate, 1 methyl substrate. Methyl, bromine. Alphabetical order. Bromine is first. So 3 bromo. Next 2 methyl, but, 1 ene. Again 3 bromo, 2 methyl, but, 1 ene. 1 ene. This is about 9th example. Next we will see 10th. Here. This is if 2 chlorines are not there means benzene. If 1 chlorine is there means chlorobenzene. 2 chlorines are there means dichlorobenzene. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. Again, if 2 chlorines are not there, benzene. If 1 chlorine is there, chlorobenzene. 2 chlorines are there, dichlorobenzene. Where dichloro? 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. And we know the one more nomenclature, ortho, para, meta. We discussed first here. So here benzene. All the positions are equal and identical. If any substance is there here, or any one position here, one substance is there x. Adjacent positions are ortho. Ortho adjacent positions are meta. Group adjacent position is para. For example, group is here. These two are ortho. These two are meta. This one is para. So this is group adjacent position ortho. So this one name ortho dichlorobenzene. Ortho dichlorobenzene. This nomenclature we discussed in first view. So ortho dichlorobenzene one name 1, 2 dichlorobenzene or dichlorobenzene. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. This is about 10th one. Next one, chlorine is there, methyl group is there. Alphabetical order of chlorine. 1 chloro, 2 methyl benzene. 1 chloro, 2 methyl benzene. Chlorotoluene. Chlorotoluene. Next one 1 chloro, 2 methyl benzene. 1 chloro, 2 methyl benzene. Right. Next one. Here this one. Chlorine is there. This is phenyl group. Chloro, phenyl, methane common name. IUPAC. Chloro, phenyl, methane. Or one more common name is there. IUPAC name is chloro, phenyl, methane. Why it is a methane derivative? Methane is CH4. One hydrogen is replaced by chlorine. One more hydrogen is replaced by benzene group. So 1 chloro, 1 phenyl, methane. 1 chloro, 1 phenyl, methane. Or this is benzene. Benzene sp2 carbon. This is sp3 carbon. sp3 carbon is attached to sp2 carbon. We discussed in classification. Benzyl group this is. This chloride is called benzyl chloride, common name. Benzyl chloride. Benzyl group is called benzene. CH2 group is called benzyl. Benzyl this is. Here chloride is there. Benzyl chloride. Again IUPAC name chlorophenyl methane. Common name benzyl chloride. Next one here. Here substrate double bond is there. Chlorine is there. If we start numbering here 1, 2, second position chlorine. If we start numbering here 1, 2, double bond first position, chlorine also first position. So 1 chloroethene, 1 chloroethene, and one more name. This is called vinyl group. Halogen is attached to sp2 carbon. We already discussed. Halogen directly attached to sp2 carbon is called vinyl. So this is called vinyl chloride, common name. Vinyl chloride. IUPAC 1 chloroethene, 1 chloroethene. Next one. This chlorine is attached to sp3. This carbon is attached to sp2. This group is called allyl group. Already discussed in classification. Allyl chloride. Allyl chloride. Common name. IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3. Double bond priority. So numbering 1, 2, 3. 3 chloropropene. 3 chloropropene or 3 chloroprop 1 ene. 3 chloroprop 1 ene. This is about 14 example. 15. Here 3 bromines are there. We can start numbering from anywhere. Here where the bromine is there, we can start numbering from here bromine or this here bromine, next here bromine carbon. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same. Here bromine at first carbon, third carbon, fifth carbon. 1, 3, 5 tribromobenzene. 1, 3, 5 tribromobenzene. Tribromobenzene. Next one here. This is bond line structure. This is also we discussed in first PU. Bond line structure. Complete structure, condensed structure, bond line structure. This is bond line structure. Here numbering we can give from left to right or right to left. 1, 2, 3. Double bond, third. Bromine, fourth position. From right to left. If it is from left to right, 1, 2, 3. Right to left, 3, 4. Left to right, 2, 3. So minimum possible. Left to right is correct. 3, 4. Name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons are there. Bromine at second position. 2 bromo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. 5. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bromine at second position. 2 bromo. Pent 2 ene. 2 bromo. Pent 5 carbons. 2 ene. This is IUPAC. Next one. Here, this is one structure, bond line structure. We can give numbering from bromine or here. Here carbon is absent, bromine is there. We know in bond line structure every corner contain one carbon, every edge contains the carbon. If any other group is there, edge carbon is absent. We know the rules. Edge carbon is absent. So here carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10 carbons are there. Here if we start the numbering here, double bond is very far. But priority we should give the double bond, not has substituent. So numbering from double bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 carbon. Here carbon is absent, bromine is there. So first substituent at 10th position bromine is there. 10 bromo. 10 carbons dec. 10 bromo. 10 bromo dec. 1, 5 diene. Double bond at first carbon and fifth carbon, starting position. First carbon and fifth carbon. 10 bromo, dec, 1, 5 diene. This is about 17. Next 18. This is alkyne. Carbon carbon triple bond. Carbon carbon triple bond is called alkyne. Triple bond. Here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. This is the structure. Carbon carbon triple bond. One of the hydrogen is replaced by bromine. Bromoethine, carbon carbon triple bond is called ethine. Bromoethine. Now this is about 18 example. Here we discussed almost different type of examples of haloalkane and haloarine. Few examples I will send to you. Next rest example you need to practice. This is about introduction and IUPAC. In next class we will discuss about the bonding, preparation of haloalkane, haloarine and chemical properties. Thank you.